This is the third video in this series. Sue Thompson, the convener of the Australian Children's Contact Services Association, known as ACCSA, gives a brief overview of the differences between public and private children's contact services.
In Australia, there are funded CCSs which families can access at a very low cost. However, these are under much pressure and waiting lists are common. Due to this, privately run services have emerged. The funded services are operated by not-for-profit organisations. Privately run services are operated by individuals or privately owned organisations and charge higher fees. There are also a few full fee-paying services which are operated by NGOs and operate similarly to the funding services. There is currently no accreditation system or regulatory oversight for children's contact services in Australia. Government-funded services function under the auspice of the larger not-for-profit organisations and are required to operate according to conditions set out in their funding agreement. Full fee-paying services are also operated by NGOs but are not bound by any funding agreement, however are managed and operated under the guidelines of that auspicing agency. Privately operated services are run as private businesses and are not regulated or subject to any guidelines or standards, and there is no independent oversight of these services. Services may operate somewhat differently depending on who is managing that service. In order to offer a safe, neutral and child-focused service, ACCSA advocates that a CCS meets some minimum operational requirements and practice principles that are articulated in a document entitled Children's Contact Services Guiding Principles Framework for Good Practice.
The link to this resource is included in the description of this video. To find out more about ACCSA, visit their website at www.accsa.org.au. Make sure to watch the other two videos in this series that broadly cover what a children's contact service is, including an explanation of facilitated changeovers and supervised visits, as well as the video covering the essential operational requirements you should expect of a children's contact service. To find out more about the Victorian Family Law Pathways Network, visit our website at www.vicflpn.org.au.